Akiaria ari tauni-ini ya Mwingi, seneta wa kaunti ya Kitui Enoch Wambua niokiriire wabici ya Ngavana wa kaunti ya Charity Ngilu agikomithia ciiko cia ungumania iria ikoretwo igitwarithio na mbere ni aruti wira a kaunti iyo. Wambua nioritie ruhonge rwa uthuthuria gwika mituki na guthuthuria uria mbeca cia kaunti iyo ikoretwo ikihuthika.
I want the governor of Kitui County to know that she has a mandate of the people of this county to take care of the resources of this county for 5 years. So far what I've seen is a mix of incompetence, unwillingness and inability to manage public resources.
Kurigana na Seneta Wambua, Gavana wa kaunti iyo niahinyiriirie ni gucokia ciuria kungikorwo na mbeca ihuthiritwo uria gutagiriire.
Soon and very soon we will see suspects arrested. I have spoken to the Inspector General of Police on this matter, and I want the people of Kitui to know that the Inspector General of Police has taken this matter very seriously.
Kuhana uguo, Wambua agetetera na kuuga hatiri handu ananyitanira na maafitha a kaunti iyo gutafania giiko ona kimwe kia ngukumio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni, Wang'ang'a.